The following message is transmitted at the request of the Benbrook Police Department. At approximately 1:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a nuclear power plant exploded in Benbrook, Texas. The explosion caused a nuclear power plant to be engulfed in flames. The people who were working at the nuclear power plant are all killed by the explosion. All residents are advised to stay indoors and stay away from the area. The fire department is dispatched to battle the fire. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Benbrook Police Department and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. At approximately 1:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown virus is starting to spread all across the area. It was first started by the nuclear power plant that first exploded. One of the tankers was carrying a highly flammable chemical called GV. Hospitals in Benbrook, Texas are filling up with patients who come into contact with the virus. Symptoms of the virus include nausea, vomiting, chills, high fever, seizures, eyes turning green, and rabies. If you are experiencing these symptoms, call 911 immediately and rush yourself to the nearest hospital. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation when it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Benbrook Police Department. At approximately 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the virus, now known as the green virus, is starting to turn people into zombies. These zombies are attacking everyone and turning humans into zombies. If you hear banging on your door, do not open it. The military are called in to take down the zombies. All residents are advised to shelter in place. Grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, phone chargers, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for more updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Benbrook Police Department. At approximately 2:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been many houses and buildings shaking, as someone or something is shaking the ground and rising up. When someone or something was rising from the ground, it's confirmed to be the green virus monster. He is giant and throws viruses at the civilians. The military is trying to apprehend the monster, but they are struggling. All residents are advised to stay sheltered in place. Stay tuned for more updates when it becomes available. An administrative message from the Benbrook Police Department. After several days later, while the civilians are continuing to shelter in place, the United States military finally take down the green virus monster for good. And the green virus itself is vaccinated by the CDC that was infecting civilians. The United States is back to normal, and the vaccine for the green virus is now available. Your government thanks for your cooperation. Normal programming may now continue.